Hello friends, hello everybody. My name is Simon, I'm a traveling yoga and meditation teacher from Germany, and I want to invite you to this free 10 days meditation for beginners challenge. Meditation is one of the most profitable and easiest things you can learn in your life, and I know everybody can learn it. So let me answer a couple of questions, please. What is included in this challenge? You will receive for 10 days each day a different video where we're talking about the crucial topics of meditation. How to sit, how to breathe, how to work with the mind, actually what is the mind and what is meditation, what for struggles can be there, what for obstacles can arise, and what may be profitable for your meditation practice. The next thing is, what exactly will you learn? At the end of these 10 days, you will be able to meditate with your own meditating technique, which is the best for you, for 30 minutes a day. That you can really experience and profit from the many benefits of meditation. Calming the mind, calming strong emotions, reducing anxiety and depression, fear, and anger, and lifting up your inner mood and giving you more creativity and also an ability to better remember things and to be better focused, better concentrated. For who is this meditation challenge? It's for beginners, for complete beginners without any experience, without ever hearing anything about meditation. You will learn everything that is important. But it's also for the people who are meditating quite a while and who want to deepen their understanding of meditation and maybe lengthen their practice. What do you need for this challenge? Nothing. You don't need to be anybody special, you don't need to have anything special. Maybe a couple of pillows to make your seat comfortable. That would be the only thing that you really would need. What would be helpful is if you invite a friend, your partner, somebody from your family to this challenge where you think, this person could profit from meditation too, because it's always a little bit easier if we do it in a group, we're together with a friend or something. That makes it way easier. The next thing is, who am I? Okay, let me tell you something about me. I'm Simon, I'm from Germany. I'm a traveling yoga and meditation teacher, teaching yoga and meditation the last couple of years in Asia to an international audience. And before this, I lived 2 years in the biggest ashram, the biggest spiritual community outside of India in Germany. And this place was amazing. Every year there were coming 90,000 people. And guess what? All of them learned in a couple of days how to meditate 30 minutes by themselves. Everybody can learn it, and this is why I really want to invite you to this free challenge. Yeah. If you have any special questions towards me, we have this free video call in the challenge, and you can ask me any question there. Yeah. Good, so I hope to see you in this challenge, and just simply subscribe to the challenge on the website. The link is below in the description of the video, and you're ready to go. I thank you so much. Enjoy your day and see you soon.